Hello and welcome to Data Peak. In this Excel tutorial for beginners, I will show you how to use Sumifs function with multiple criteria. Before I proceed with this tutorial, it's my humble request, kindly subscribe to my channel to keep supporting me. If you want to sum up a numerical column based on a single condition, then we can use simple sumif function. For example, I have this sales data set and I want to find out furniture sales alone. So for that, I'm using simple sumif function equal to sumif tab and the range where you want to look for the criteria for that category, comma, and I want to look for furniture, keep it in double quotes, comma, and what do you want to sum up? Sales, select sales column and press enter. And we got this value. I'm gonna reduce the decimal count. Okay, this way we have used simple sumif function to find out furniture sales alone. What if I want to find out furniture sales in Florida state? So that means we need to meet two conditions. One, the category is furniture and the second condition is state is Florida. For that we can use sumifs function. So to use it, equal to sumifs tab. If you notice, in sumif function, first we need to give the sum range, but in sumif function, we will give the sum range as last criteria. I want to sum up sales here and criteria range category. And what is the category? Furniture in double quotes. And the state, and which state? Florida in double quotes. Close it and press enter. Now I got this value. We can verify this function. For example, I have filters here. I'm going to select the drop down and I'm going to only select furniture and I'm going to select only Florida. And when you click on sales column, you can see 22743 and I'm pressing Ctrl Z and we got same 22743. So which means the formula is working fine. Let us go and add three criteria here. Let us say, for example, I want to find out the sum of sales of furniture category in Florida state and subcategory should be tables. I'm going to use sumifs, press tab, sum range sales, comma, category, furniture, comma, subcategory. It should be tables, I guess. Next, the state, which is Florida. Close the parenthesis and hit enter and we got this value. So in this data set, we have a date column. Now let us do a 4 criteria sumifs function and we are going to use order date column as well. If you look at the previous example, instead of 3 criteria, we can only give 2 criteria because instead of giving furniture, we can give subcategory as tables and state as Florida. Even still we get the same result. So let's go and delete furnitures here. I'm going to delete furnitures and press enter. We will get the same result because obviously we are only filtering down tables from Florida alone. So it should work in both ways. So I'm pressing Ctrl Z. So I'm going to copy the same formula here. I'm going to paste it in this cell and let us add 4th criteria, which is date column. For that, I'm going to select the date column and I want to find out sales in last 30 days for Florida state and tables as subcategory. For that, I'm going to use greater than or equal to and today minus last 30 days and press enter and we got 331. So this way we can use sumifs function with multiple conditions to filter down data set. To quickly recap, we can use sumifs function to sum up a numerical column based on multiple criteria. So you can select the sum range and then criteria range, next the criteria and so on. You can give multiple criteria like this. That's all folks. I hope you enjoyed this Excel tutorial on sumifs function. Please do subscribe to Data Peak for more Excel tutorials and I will catch you in another Excel tutorial. Thank you.